Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn how to use the present perfect tense with 30 practical sentences for daily life. These examples will help you improve your English fluency. So, let's get started. Morning routine 1. I have already brushed my teeth. 2. She has made breakfast for everyone. 3. He has taken a shower. 4. I have packed my lunch for the day. 5. They have left for work. 6. I have read the morning newspaper. 7. He has watered the plants. 8. She has ironed her clothes. 9. I have completed my morning exercise. 10. We have had our coffee together. Work and study. 11. I have finished my homework. 12. She has written an email to her boss. 13. He has completed his online course. 14. They have prepared for the meeting. 15. I have joined a new class to learn English. 16. She has submitted her project on time. 17. He has printed the documents for the client. 18. We have practiced speaking English today. 19. I have attended 2 meetings this morning. 20. They have completed their group discussion. Evening routine. 21. I have cooked dinner for the family. 22. She has cleaned the kitchen. 23. He has walked the dog in the park. 24. They have set the table for dinner. 25. I have called my friend to catch up. 26. She has watched her favorite TV show. 27. He has completed reading his novel. 28th. We have made plans for the weekend. 29th. I have tidied up my room before sleeping. 30. They have gone to bed early tonight. These are some examples of present perfect tense that you can use in your daily life. Practice these sentences to improve your spoken English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.